One guy just called yesterday when I say I know they marry Benin woman. He said, Dion, we are talking now. Dion, we are talking woman over here though. I tell about New Year though. But guy, calm down. Hey, calm down. He married over here though. Hey, did you guys watch the program with DJ? If you didn't watch it, please go back down the lake. You will see where a young man, I don't know him, called me. The young man called me yesterday, shouting on the program, say, why would I say I will not marry a Benin woman? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Is that not a choice that I can make for myself? Does that mean that I don't love Benin women if I prefer not to marry a Benin woman? Maybe Benin woman don't love me or don't understand me the way I want to be understood. Maybe Benin woman does not give me the kind of love I deserve. Doesn't mean that a Benin woman is bad. So there are many white men who marry the Benin woman. There are many Benin men who marry a Chinese woman. It's a choice. A many will call, a many will go, or will go. Start to the other small boy. He's a man, when they calm down, those kind of guys, if private guys in it, those are the guys where we say their woman, they in love with me, but they vex internally, but they know if you express them. So every time I say anything where they don't like, they will want use that one to react to where say, Dion, see what he talk. My guy, if your woman love me, not be my fault. Try to do the things what they do. Try to hustle the hustle what they do. Try to look good like me. I tell a story one time of one guy where they vex for party where I go. I said the story before. I was in Madrid. One guy, I said, I'm a G. I be correct guy. May I park where? May I just my people I beg. May I park this car where? May I park? May I just not small? I get like 20-30 minutes. May I just not small? Yeah, I will take some questions too. Okay. I be correct guy. You understand? So the story be saying, I just did one party for Madrid. I see observe my surroundings. Everybody show me love. Dion. Hey man, thank you for coming. We love you. Thank you for your good work. That's normal everywhere I go, and I appreciate the love I receive everywhere I go from every Edo person. Now, so I always reason one guy. Oh boy, the guy they provoke for no reason. And I said, Baba, why they provoke? He said, I better go. I said, what did I do? He said, they go. I don't need you. Not be you. I said, yeah, way. He said, man, because of you, my babe slapped me. I said, why your babe will slap you? What do you do, baby? He said, because I they talk down on you. My babe slapped because of you. And I said, that babe, she's supposed to slap you again. You don't know me. You don't know me. You are over there ranting up and down. Okay, let's take also, who is this about you have been talking about? Big Willie. Please marry Caribbean or Dominican Republic. You are right. Go and look at some of my Edo people in Canada. Look at the men that married Caribbean women. Look at the Edo men. Even here in Dallas, Texas, I know an Edo man who is married to a Caribbean. Go to Canada. Most people who marry Caribbean women, they are so happy in their relationship. Caribbean women, but now my choice. So if you don't like them, where's my phone? They come on, I beg. Oh. So the kind of woman wey man want marry, na the man choice. The kind of man wey woman man want marry, na the woman choice. But for me, I think Caribbean women are very, very good and loyal women. Caribbean women, Chinese women. Maybe I feel marry Japanese. Who know? Now, someone that girl called the other day. Did you watch the show? No, thank you so much. Queen Flo. One of my bestie. Queen, this for you. Alright. Now, so one girl, that girl we call yesterday, I want to play her voice notes because she don't make me vex. She make me vex. He just call say, her voice black. Did you hear the voice? Hold on, let me go and find the video. The voice black person you want cry. You want cry, say, I don't give you. Are you guys still there? If you are still live, say hi. If you are still live, say hi. I want to find the message. Dandy. Your number not the boss. You dey try to call me, my boss. Dandy, I see you guys there. Avec Menede. Avec Meninigua. Okay, now can see hear me. God send people. I greet all of them. I want to play that voice so that get this send me message. May I play him? Me not advise me. If not play, I may lock up. Because I don't like when person will come online, because they want belittle me. When you know say they chase me left and right, you want to say, you say, you are not my type, you are not my level. But you can hear her voice, say that person won't cry. I want to play her voice one now. If I want me play her, maybe. You say I don't play her. Jessica, they listen to Jessica because she's a smart lady. Ikechi Sunday. Hope so not be the Ikechi Sunday when they do movie. Victoria. Okay, no, okay. Dion, face your life. Live about matter. It's okay. It's okay. Abat is my brother. Sometimes it's good to entertain. I don't have anything against Abat, but if you see her as a beef, now your choice. Don't play it, Dion. Play it. I bet I say play it. I want to play it. Let me see the message. They tell me. I want to play it. So that I know say I know they talk, I know they lie. I need to prove myself. They call me, can they rub your mouth? I know what the number. Plus, first of all, she lies, say, oh, I'm calling from Leatherland. This I know know your voice. Sakura, I don't know the voice. Sakura know the voice. Oh yeah, now you sure? You sure now listening? Play it. She challenged you yesterday. Yes. She challenged me yesterday. Okay, man, you play half. I play half. May I play, huh? Ikechi, if I enter trouble, now you are go. Ikechi, if I enter trouble, now you are go. If everywhere bust, now you are go. Okay, may I play, Asha?
John, good evening, sir. Long time. In here. Is it your way to one more phone? And I will. You may book more here.
Make I continue. I love you shout to. I love you shout. If now give me stars, I continue. Give me stars. Let's continue first. My position. Because he give me up for free, man. I know they do anything for free again. Yeah. May I continue? Make I continue. Play it. Ikechi, see your life. Ikechi, see your life. 20 stars. Now they give me flash. They give me 20 stars. A 20 stars keka with the enemy. 20 stars with the double chief. I do what with me. Why they 20 stars in me? Before I play that video, okay, my position. More yeah now. I don't think I see cash cruise with my people rich. My position. I want to do 1 or 2 today, but I guess more time. Make I go find the video where I do with my chairman yesterday. Not be small something, no. Now, don't know the problem why they face. Do you know how difficult it is for a person who has a good name, for a successful person to know the woman that truly loves him? One of the most difficult tasks in a successful man's life is to find out who really love him. And my own way of finding people who love me is to test them. Not be when things they sweet. Now be able to tell me, say, I love you, baby. No, I want to test you how you will react when things are not going your way. I want to test you how you will react if I am making you angry. Now, that will be the true love now. True love is defined not in the moment of happiness. True love is defined in the movement of discomfort. In the movement of drama. If you want to know how we love you, now when I don't quarrel, now you don't know how the man will react. If you want to know who will love you, now when you are the woman quarrel, the way she reacts during that quarrel, now define her love for you. So I don't get these things from mine. So not gonna tell me say, hey, my king, my double chief, Okbi anoint me, Okbi honor me. Don't tell me that. If you are not able to show me that you are down for me in times of drama, in my lowest time, man, keep your love. Even my ex-wife, go and watch the videos now. That time where the love is shaka for body, she did call me my lord, my king, my personal savior. I'm not a team, a lord. A current in UK, or ye lie on my gbe. Ijo wen, ege lawe gbe, la ho, ye man, la ho. Now make I think like Destiny Bagwa. Destiny Bagwa go yeah Vembo, is that they say it? Destiny Bagwa took his two wives. That also has a lot to do with choice. Destiny Bagwa took his two wives, and I mean me and here I don't know, but I know that the Bagwa took his two wives to do some kind of, I don't know if it's a sacrifice or ritual, or I don't know how to do it, but they follow the Benin tradition. So somebody like Bessie Jago now married two wives. Then me they thought I don't want to marry Benin man or woman. Well, a choice, you know, a life, you know, a choice, you know. And even the dream say Destiny go marry third wife anytime from now. And the dream see him. Destiny third wife now America he go for Mariam. We have a man who will tie, who will prophet him. Destiny no beer. Destiny don't open many men's eyes. Destiny don't open many men's eyes. Many men with their wife they beat for Euro before. If the wife talk to the any and now Destiny everybody they call say, I beg you make a hear word. Make a hear word. You know see Destiny will marry two wives. So Destiny will say man, we will say. You don't see free a percentage of men where women they beat. Some men their wife will kick them off as they don't get nowhere to go. They call their friend. Like, how far now you there as they come? Never you be that man. As a man, have a plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, plan E, plan F, even to plan Z. Play the voice, you see him. Is Destiny rich? I don't think it has to do with being rich. I don't think Destiny marrying two wives has to do with being rich. I think it has a lot to do with being loyal. Destiny married to Esther Edokpayi is not about because Destiny is rich. Alright? Destiny married Esther Edokpayi because of loyalty. When Destiny Bagwa was at his lowest, when things was not so rosy like it was today, when everybody abandoned him, despite his effort in entertainment in Edo State, despite that man, Destiny don't carry movie come, Destiny don't do everything, Destiny has tried his best in entertainment. He's a legend. I respect him for that. When Destiny was at his lowest, when money not day, I know that I'm a witness of that because we did a lot of good things together several times, me and Destiny. When Destiny was at his lowest, it was Esther Edokpayi who had his back. When Destiny was at his lowest, it was Esther Edokpayi who had his back. When Destiny, people were bringing Destiny private areas out, when people were trying to bring this man down, Esther Edokpayi stood by him. So if Destiny did not marry Esther Edokpayi, myself I go vex. We need a woman who can have our back when we are low. We need a woman who will support us when we are not at our best. That's the definition of love. Yes, it's the truth. At some point, Destiny was having issue with his first woman. Everybody saw that on social media. How they brought out his pictures, how they called him all kind of names. But Esther Edokpayi never left Destiny Child. She believed in that man. And they started doing shows together. Look at today. Today now, Esther Edokpayi is one of the biggest brands in Edo State. So you go say, make man not marry the kind of woman who is there for ram. When everybody abandon him, Destiny, you do the right thing, and I appreciate you. Alright? It's a game of choice. Marry who there for you, man. 100%. Marry who there for you, not be who they make noise. I will play my sister music. Esther Edokpayi, my lovely lady, my superstar. I will still play that musical. I will still play that video. I will still play them. But my favorite play Esther, I take calm down. Esther music, they give me joy for this life. I must play that video now. Dion, do you think you still true love at this time? Man, he had. Lovely. It's a good question. I think true love is very, very hard. It's very, very hard. I mean, I'm not really concerned about marriage, but I'm also concerned about the kind of woman I want to be with. I want to be with the kind of woman that will not bounce on me. I'm not a baby daddy material. I'm not the kind of guy that want to have a baby over here, have a baby over here. No, I want to be a responsible father to my children. I want to be no matter what, I want to be with a woman that no matter what I do, she will easily forgive me. No matter what I do, she will easily smile the next day. No matter what we go through, when I call you, hey baby, what's up? You pick my call. Now that kind of relationship man need. Not be one will be say, once they invest for you. You say, how far now, where you did? Now we'll call you back. How far now, where you did? He now will call you back. You don't need that kind of relationship. In men and female. Female, if you have a man that every time you guys are angry, he doesn't want to talk to you for forever, you need to run away from that kind of man. All right? For a relationship to grow, we all have to be willing to constantly forgive each other, no matter what we go through. I'm not a stupid person. So when I'm taking my time to show you my woman, I calculate. Because if I fail the second time, then I'm a big failure. The first time you fail, you have not failed in life. The second time when you fail, now you'll be a big failure. Because the first time you fail, you are supposed to use that first failure to correct yourself. So you fail the first time, you fail the second time, then it's your fault. So I don't want to be at that, okay? I beg you. Teamwork, yes. Teamwork. I want to pierce my tongue. Hey, if that's what you love, Tiffany, if you love piercing, go ahead. But here in America, most women who pierce tongue, they get attracted to other women, all right? Because that's what they do. When most women will get out here, they be lesbian. So I don't know if you're a lesbian, but if you're a lesbian, that's your choice. It's your choice of relationship, and I respect you for that, all right? I have had threesome before. I don't deal with two women. I'll not be big thing, you understand? So that's what it be. Men, if you have never had a threesome, go and try it. Every man should try one bad thing before you marry. Go and try a threesome and see how sweet it is to be with two women. Go and do it. I don't know, maybe there's Nebagwafi they deal with Esther and Edward. I just want to know how it feels, two wives. A destiny de Misha of a Mouredian, of a Mouredian. Heck, Mary, King Solomon vibe. Over, as they be, over one man will just get like 7 wives or more. But think of it, I think that those times where our papa they get 7 wives, now that's how women lawyer pass, because women know say if you do any, I will go to the next one. And then our fathers were not empowering our mothers. Our fathers not empower our mothers, so that they depend slowly on the father to take care of the home. So that make many women loyal then. Olden days women, their loyalty was based on the man is the head of the household, taking care of all the bill. So if they leave that household, it will be hard for them to take care of themselves. But times don't change. Women are more independent. Women will tell you, may you come up for a house. Women now, whether they try small, they make money, they go tell you, say, leave my house. But before now, man, they tell say, leave my house. Women are not ready to support men to grow anymore. That's a fact. So when you have a woman who is having your back, who is supporting you, who is telling you it's going to be all right, I'm an older woman. To all the men who they watch me for around the world, where woman help. Now your woman carry, may I put my charger. What kind of Caribbean of woman do you want to marry? Okay, I'll tell you. All right. So where for stop just now? But tell me where for stop. Tell me where for stop. I heard it's a good law. What kind of caliber of woman do you want to marry? The kind of woman I want to marry is a woman. I don't care where she's from, really. All right. But we have to test her loyalty. She has to be a very peaceful person, a forgiving person, and a kind person. That's it. All right, and must know how to cook. I'm not willing to marry a woman who have to look at YouTube to make meal for me anymore. I'm not doing that. I don't have to marry. I'm not going to marry a woman whereby I have to be the cook. I'll come back from work, I'll go to the kitchen. No, I'm not doing that. So all these things are very, very necessary for me. Because you want to support men grow. They go ahead and marry the woman they love. Because when you support men to grow, no, that's not true. That's not true. But that's the fear of so many women, which understood. But there are so many other women that have supported their men to grow, and their men had their back. So women should be in that positive side, not the negative side. So if I support this man now, if this man don't blow now, you can't forget me. It shouldn't be like that. We have to look at the positive side of every situation. We have to constantly look, if I support this man fit can support me. This man fit can support my family. Why does it have to be if I support this man will go marry? No, I don't think like that. All right, I'm very optimistic, but in a positive way. I don't have a negative mind. You want forgiving women so you can keep bullying them and they will keep quiet. No, that's not true, Omoye. That's not true. All right, I don't bully women. Those women who have had opportunity to have a date with me knows how sweet I am. I'm one of the sweetest guy ever. No matter how sweet I am, I will always kind of know if this woman is for me. Yeah. You have for you not to fail, you have to see woman's potential. You have to see, can this woman be there for me? Maybe one day I fucked up, I didn't come home on time, or one day something bad happened. Is she willing to forgive me? These are the areas we all need to look at. We all may enjoy shower, but stress still there anyway. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with YouTube when you're cooking an international dish. Yes, true. When you are cooking a dish you are not brought up with. But when you are cooking eba, when you are cooking okra soup, when you are cooking egusi, looking at international YouTube just to cook egusi, cook jollof rice. Come on, that doesn't make sense. Don't make we talk truth. The woman will feed you will come from village. I don't mind. I really don't mind. I really don't mind if she's from the village. I really don't mind her background. But loyalty is what I got. Loyalty is what I need. But to be honest with you, if I if I have the opportunity to tag the kind of women I date, now professionals that they date too. I know the date yeah guys. Hold on. Man, I just show now something. Me not bless the brag. Me not bless the brag. Because me, I don't like to brag, man. I don't like bragging. See, I'm a professional in my day. It gets in a business card. Ubege no mo say. A business card. My name business me lele yan gwan. Oi, ubege ya. Ubege ya. My circle now professionals. Amigo with men and women who have something obsessed. Not women who are there talking crap like the girl that called yesterday. Yeah, you play boss in him. So I was saying, you don't need professional. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter what I need. I mean, God has blessed me to a point whereby I think that with what I've already gathered for myself, what I've already, my little investment I can survive with it. I can survive with my little investment. So I don't need all that. But let me go back to that message. Where is that message? Well, when you make message there, be Nana one cause problem. So Nana one cause problem. So okay, I will give you my daughter AMB Shaba. That's my biggest dude. My biggest dude is a musician all the way in Canada. I see you, my brother, man. One love. Thank you so much. Many women, they call me. Many mothers who know my worth, they call me, say, Dion, I have my daughter. She's in UK. She just finished law school. But that's not what I want. I don't want anybody to reference a woman for me. I'm not an ugly boy enough to get a woman. You get what I find for a woman. When I see him, number one, she must have a nice bum. I know if you deal with woman, when we say after 2 years, she'll come to ball me. No, now. I know if you deal with woman, say after 2 years, I know come to like her again. No, I want to constantly fall in love with you every time I see you. So when I look, Yari Kebenin, all you work here. On that inside the avian, another avian day inside. All these LMOs boys. Yeah, we Facebook people. What to tag be Facebook? Why can't a man just live his life? Some people will say, Osagie, hey, you are almost 50. Go and marry. Yeah. Not be people be father. Not be people from age 1. They never know chef. They'll be father. They'll dedicate their life to Christ. Not be person be Pope Francis. Be like, calm down, huh? You should be. Because Andrew start family at 25, born full everywhere, do everything. Let me say, Peter will do the same thing, huh? Calm down. Everything will do okay. Everything will do okay. Me not calm down. Everybody who will be my follower. This year will do so now our year. This year will do so now our year. We are going to bring out the most loyal woman that I've ever dated.